of Kandhamar district as well as Ayurvedic students. Today I have just presented a new format of medicinal plants. That's name is Dahlia pinnata. Its common name is Dahlia pinnata and its scientific name is Dahlia coccinea. Dahlia coccinea. It's a red color flower. It has two types of colors. One is yellow and the first one is red color, which I have shown in front of you. Its origin from Escherichia, Mexico and Israel countries. Its origin is started. According to Hernandez, this floral medicinal plant Dahlia, called as a Acococycita, which means water tube flowers. It is very important one. Please overlook it. This medicinal plant is very essential and helpful to all the patients to have overlook it. Very nice medicinal plant. All should like it. Its beauty, its natural pictures. It is very important one. Please overlook it. It is a very interesting one and very important for medicinal purpose. It has contained complex carbohydrate also. It has contained its flowers, its leaves and its roots has full of power with complex carbohydrate and its low is glycemic index. It is a scientific resources is fully included in this plant. It ensures a steady relax of glucose in the blood, which helps in managing the blood sugar. And another one name of Dahlia is called Georgenia. It is in Germany called it as a Geogermania. In Russia it is called as a Georgian. At the first, the Russian people have liked it in the year of 1800. It is the flower has given much more priority to all the patients in that country. Please overlook it. The Russian people's favorite flower is as a Dahlia or as they have called Georgenia. In 1963, it was declared as the national flower of Mexico. The people of Mexico and the country Mexico's government has declared to this Dahlia pinnata as the national flower of Mexico. Very important one. Please overlook it. And it is meant for the medicinal purpose also. And you have to observe and recognize it first. Otherwise, you cannot understand what about the flower's intention, beneficiaries and others. Now we have to switch over another way. Its medicinal use. It is more used in pharmaceutical industries. It is also used for cosmetic food and a tonic of health. It is used in the diuretic, diaphoretic and against the colic and flatulence. It provides the essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals like vitamin B also. It has commonly used as an ornamental flower and popular for floral industries as well. And at length I would like to tell you the another sense. Additionally, it is low in fat and cholesterol and making to heart healthy in the human bodies. Please overlook it. Very essential and energetic flower. It is meant for the all patient so far as their hygienic purpose is concerned. Please overlook once again. Please overlook it. It's a very essential for, and you have to observe it also. And lastly, the meaning. The meaning of this red dahlia's meaning is called perseverance and ability of overcome. Secondly, the yellow dahlia's meaning were given as a symbol of devotion, love, beauty, and dignity. Now I would like to have shown the yellow flower of it, and you have to overlook and observe it. Very important one. We will go to the next place. Please observe it. Okay. Finally, I would like to expose in front of you another quality of this dahlia flower. It is yellow in color. Please overlook it. The yellow dahlia's meaning were given as a symbols of devotion, love, beauty, and dignity of every human personality. Towards the 18th century, as named by Abbe Cavenel in honor of Andries Dahl. In his title name, that flower is called as dahlia. This is yellow dahlia. The history suggested us that dahlia is a Hebrew originated female name that means flower of the valley or the valley flowers. Please overlook it. It is a very important one and essential one. The next variety, as I have already exposed in front of you, please overlook it and observe it also. This is the same quality. Please overlook. A very essential flower for all human beings, particularly those who have suffered in heart problems and other uh, medicinal purpose also. Now, at length, I would like to highlight another thing. In the Bible, the term is used to present the gentle or slender. Its meaning is called as a gentle or a slender. Spiritually, the name Dahlia represents inner strength, positive thinking, and a change and a solemn commitment of the people among themselves. It is very important one. Please observe and overlook it. In Israel, it is called as a Dahlia Revikovit. Dahlia Revikovit. It is very important one. In America, that is USA, it is called as a Dahlia Adler. Please overlook. Both are calling as a Dahlia Adler. It is a very important one. Please overlook once again and observe it also. It is an important medicinal plant for all human beings, those who have existed in this world at present stage, and a very important one also. So I would like to thanks to all of you in this manner, those who have suffered and suffer in this manner. It may utilize for them for proper hygienic purpose way, and I have given many more thanks to all those who have present in front of mine and overlook this medicinal plant. At length, so many thanks to all of you. Jai Hind.